Alright, so guys, we're parking our car here, and around 500 meters this way is the actual rock to go up. So we're just gonna park our car here and we're just gonna hike up here. So we're just walking up this small road. Alright guys, we're almost here. So this is just like the main road, and then we're just gonna go up here to those elephant rocks. So they're huge. So we're just gonna go up this hill and over to there. Alright guys, so we came from there and now we're just gonna go through this small entrance to go to the elephant's rocks over there. So this is just like a small path. The scenery is beautiful here. There's the village that we parked the car in. It's just like a around 10-minute walk over here, so it's not too far. Whoa, it's huge. Look at that. Wow, there's a few over here and on the other side as well. Right guys, we're here. So this is the elephant rocks, and later we can go up here and there's like a staircase so we can go on top of the rock and see. So right now we're just coming up over this hill, and then we can go up the staircase to go on top of the rock. Okay, so there should be like an observatory deck or something. Yeah, it's right there. So we can just go down these like small steps and we can climb up over to this. Whoa, look at this. Wow. This is cool. Okay, so let's just go up these steps over here. And be careful. Oh. Oh. Whoa. So we're on top of the rock now, and it's pretty high.